Ahrefs SEO Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Ahrefs and relevant resources are in the description. Let's dive right into it. Ahrefs is one of the most powerful and widely used SEO tools designed for marketers, webmasters, and business owners looking to improve their website search engine rankings. Its features are robust, offering everything from keyword research and site audits to backlink analysis and competitor research. One of its standout tools is the Site Explorer, which lets you analyze any website's organic traffic, backlink profile, and top-performing content. This is particularly valuable for competitor analysis, helping you identify what's working for your competition and uncover potential opportunities for your own site. The keyword research tool in Ahrefs is also top-notch, providing detailed insights into keyword volume, difficulty, and potential traffic, enabling you to create content that targets the most valuable keywords for your niche. Ahrefs is made for users who want in-depth, data-driven SEO insights. Whether you're a content marketer, SEO specialist, or website owner looking to improve your online presence, this tool delivers on all fronts. Its backlink analysis capabilities are among the best in the industry, allowing you to monitor backlinks, track lost or broken links, and analyze link growth over time. The platform also offers a comprehensive site audit feature that helps you identify on-site SEO issues, such as broken links, slow page speeds, and missing meta tags, which can impact your rankings. The main strengths of Ahrefs are its user-friendly interface, comprehensive toolset, and the sheer depth of data it provides. Its backlink data is especially valuable for link-building campaigns and monitoring your website's health. However, there are some weaknesses. Ahrefs can be expensive for small businesses or individual users, with plans starting at a higher price point compared to other SEO tools. Also, the learning curve can be steep for beginners, as the tool offers a lot of advanced features that require time to master. Overall, Ahrefs is an essential tool for anyone serious about SEO, providing everything you need to research keywords, analyze competitors, and optimize your website. If you're looking to take your SEO strategy to the next level, Ahrefs is an excellent choice. Check out the links in the description for more details.